All right, we got the shocks. 14-inch with the comfort lift brackets, and we're about to put them on this. Already got the wheels off and getting ready to pull the factory hydraulic shocks off. All right, let's see what we got in the box. And what do we got? We got the comfort mounts. Got those. Oh, packing slip. Got me a koozie. I like that. Very nice. Thank you. And let's see what else we got here. Pull these out. We got the shocks. All right, let me get those out and I'll be right back. Okay, we have acquired the shocks. Let's see. Gotta slide it out. Here's a part number, 14-inch. And that is for my Tri Glide 2022. Now DK tunes these for you, so be specific in what you want, and your rider weight, passenger weight, how often you ride with, you know, 2-up or with a trailer or whatever you might pull. Looks like we got some hardware in here. We got directions. I have seen their video. Very nice. They did a good job. Warranty registration, don't forget to do that. They do carry a lifetime warranty. Oh, let me pull these out. I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Look at these. Good looking shocks. Fully adjustable. They give you the tools in here to be able to adjust the springs if you need to, or whatever. I believe that is a rebound dampening adjustment. They adjust these for you before they come out of the box. Pre-filled, the whole works. Extremely light and good looking shock. Man, fully rebuildable. Like I said, lifetime warranty. Fill that registration card out. Spherical ball ends or bearings, it looks like, if I can get it to zoom. Yeah, very nice. Okay, all stainless. All right, well, let's get them on, and then we'll do another test video. Already did one video of riding down the road with that. Man, the camera doesn't do it justice how harsh that thing really does ride. But let's hope that we did a good job here. Just under 1,200 bucks. Took their 10% off. That was nice. Or $10 off, I'm sorry. Now with these, let's call them Pro Action shocks, next gens. With these, they have 4 inches of travel. I think before I was noticing a tire to fender ratio with the shock set at like 13, a maximum with 2-up and about 20 pounds in the box, maybe 2 inches at the most. More tire deflection than anything. It was a rough ride, but let's hope you know, this 4 inches satisfies the wife. I hope so. Okay, next is the comfort mount convertible for the 14, for the trike, 14-inch shock. I've already cut it open, and we'll take care. It looks like packaging. These look tied together so they don't get scratched. What do we got? Some directions, looks like. All right, well, let's get them on the bike. Okay, we cut the zip ties off and got a nice captured nut on there, like that. And it looks like on the later model, 17 and up, you use these holes instead of those. And I'll compare with the Amazon to see what the real difference was. All right, so the comfort brackets compared to the Amazon. The bolt holes all match up for like the early model for whatever reason, except for that. Move down an extra inch. I'm guessing that's for the 14-inch shock. That's where the shock mount. Well, we'll find out. Okay, shocks are mounted. Brackets are mounted, I mean. This port adjustable on the trike is to point out toward the wheels. So now, it says not to mount this, but I found it easier on the last set to do this. We're going to experiment and see if it works for me. both of these are pointing to the back. I guess that's where they fill the shock up. And let's get it on there and see what happens next. I found that Harley specs red Loctite on here, and torquing these to 50 to 60 foot-pounds of torque, top and bottom there. Well, not too bad of a job. Put a zip tie on there, got the brackets on. Shock, if we can see it, it's up in there. Not bad at all.